Curing tinnitus the natural way, tinnitus relief naturally. If you have been bothered by a constant ringing sound in your ears, you may be suffering from tinnitus. However, tinnitus is not, in itself, a medical condition, it is a medical symptom of an underlying condition. This is why, if you are suffering from tinnitus, it is important that you consult your doctor immediately. This way you can find out why you can tinnitus and treat the root cause immediately. Unfortunately, there is no all-in-one cure for tinnitus. This is because there are several possible causes for tinnitus. There is no direct treatment to tinnitus as there are no treatments to ear damage, however you can treat the root cause of the tinnitus. Some tinnitus cases are caused by diabetes, high blood pressure and allergies. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. The good news in all of this is that even if there is no actual cure for tinnitus, there is a way in curing tinnitus naturally. This means that there are ways, natural ways, you can do to decrease the effects and prevent further damage caused by tinnitus. The most effective way, of course, is finding out the root cause of the tinnitus and treating them. By finding a solution to the root cause, you prevent further damage. One of the root causes of tinnitus is ear damage caused by extreme noises. These noises come from loud home appliances, loud music and gunfire. If you are exposed to these kinds of loud music, protect your ear from loud noises by using ear plugs. These small rubber plugs can help you a lot in protecting your ear. There is no specific way in curing tinnitus naturally, however there are ways you can do to protect yourself from tinnitus ear damage. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips, subscribe the channel.